Hey everybody, this is Bill Stevens with the Music Educator, and today I'm going to talk about something I absolutely hate, and that's the bad cliche that says, those that can't do, teach. And it's a gross misrepresentation of the teaching field. You might see it in movies, you might see it in normal conversation, but teachers, actual real teachers, are passionate about what they do. Okay, doesn't mean they're the perfect person in the world, but the actual idea of adding value to even a single person can make you a teacher. You don't have to be a degreed person. You gotta love and provide value to someone else. You don't even have to love someone else. You just gotta provide some kind of value to someone else. And what does it require? Well, it requires some kind of expertise, something that other people don't have. All right? Just the sheer fact of sharing what you know with someone else to make them a better person is worth it in itself. We got more. Okay? Many achievers teach. Okay? So your best singers, your best musicians, your best scientists, your best, name it, fill in the blank, are taught by teachers how to do that. And you know what? Those people do that practice. They practice this craft every single day. Well, maybe not every single day, but you know what? They've done it way beyond the quote unquote expert 10,000 hours. Okay, so I want you to imagine this. If a teacher does not achieve a certain level of rigor, okay, they're not going to be able to demonstrate or model, because that's what good teachers do, others. Okay? You got to understand, you have skills that have to be learned and you have to be practiced. Now, yes, there are geniuses, okay? Maybe like 2% in the world that are just freaks of nature. All right? They may not need a lot of help from other people, but most people have to work hard, learn skills, learn habits, get rid of old habits, and practice what they do. Okay, this is a skill that's trying to get people to do things. Okay, teachers don't have to be degreed. They don't have to get paid. Okay, now for what they do, I mean, heck yeah, they better get paid. I mean, think about it. You pay a babysitter $20 an hour. Okay, multiply that by 20, 30 kids times 8 hours. I mean, yeah, they're getting underpaid for sure. But that's not the point, because those people are passionate, especially the really good ones. It doesn't mean everybody's passionate at first, okay? You know, it comes with time, and that's okay. And you know what's even okay is success comes with failure. If you don't fail ever in your life, you've never done anything of value, okay? It's just that straightforward. And also, you know, we talked about teachers enhance skills. This is the process, and this is what they help other people, okay? Again, the doers do because they learn how to do it. Now, it doesn't mean what some trolls may say, doers, that doesn't mean that they can teach. But teachers should be able to do what they're teaching, okay? Otherwise, maybe they're not in the right area, but you know what? That's okay, because they can still provide some sort of value, okay? And this is the other thing. What is value? Value is a skill. Value is an experience, okay? Value doesn't mean that, you know, you're always getting a certain award, okay? A lot of the best people, the best characters, they don't get recognized all the time. In fact, there's tons of people that don't get recognized. You know, take a moment. If you're ever going to say that bad cliche, I almost don't want to even say it. If you ever want to say that bad cliche, step into the role of your son or daughter for a week. And I want you to see how well you do. And then add on 30 more kids. See how well you do. Okay? And then the societal impact. Okay? So think about it. Fine. You don't think teaching is a valuable profession, right? You take them. Okay? You take the kids. You take the adults. And trust me, a lot of times adults aren't necessarily put you in a better situation than kids, okay? We're all humans, okay? Teachers have a societal role that others really don't have either the skills the capacity or doing ability, or the desire. And really, if you have the desire, you have the work ethic, you can be a good teacher. So, if you ever talk about devaluing teachers, taking away that respect, be ready, okay? Because I'm going to show you how to do something, all right? And that is how I'm going to teach you. Lots of love. Thank you, teachers. See ya.